Okay, Labsters, welcome to Sound Pack Slam. If you are joining me for the first time, follow along and give the sounds after I show you and tell you what they are. If you're visiting us for a second or third or fourth time, feel free to turn down the volume and see which sounds you can remember all on your own. Okay, are we ready? Let's start with our picture cards. So we need our hand up for our kinesthetic movement. Let's get going. A, apple, A. E, Eddie, E. I, itchy, I. O, orange, O. U, upper, A. A, A. E, E. I, I. O, O. U, U, A. A, E, I, O, U, U. As a vowel, Y says I as in cry and E as in baby. I and E. Hmm. Hmm. Ooh. G. B. Hmm. Z. D. J. W. Y. X. And Ch. Ed. D. T. Sh. K. Ak. Ek. Ik. Ok. Ak. Ch. Atch. Etch. Itch. Och. Atch. Ink. Ank. Enk. Ink. Onk. Unk. Ang. Eng. Ing. Ong. Ang. Oop. Sp. Ook. Sk. Oof. Nd. Ood. Pt. Kt. Sn. Sp. Sm. Sk. Sw. Foo. Goo. Brr. Fur. Tur. Purr. Ooh. J. Adge, edge, idge, odge, udge. A. A. O. O and ow. Oi. Oi. I. Oo and oo. E. E. Ow. R. Or. Well done, Labsters. Nice work today. We'll be back again next week with another Sound Pack Slam, but feel free to watch this video as many times as you can this week and increase your fluency and automaticity with your sound pack. Have a look at a link below for a new concept which I've taught, should be right underneath this. See you next time.